tips. Okay, I have this boat here which I downloaded from Blender Kit. Okay, as you can see, the mesh is subdivided like that. Okay, and I want to add this guy interacting with the water. Okay, but I want to add some movement to the guy which is more realistic, so I don't want to spend the time doing a path and going to geometry nodes for that. And kind of animation geometry, easy water has a tool which is add a path. So this is the path, and you can just select your object here, and then you have your object moving alongside the path. Okay, so let's clear all the interactive for you to see. I'm going to clear all the interactive. So now we have this object, okay, moving alongside the path. So you don't need this boat anymore. And then you can take this path way down. You have some options here to move this guy along. Move on Z or down onto your path. Uh, and you can rotate it, okay, give it a different direction, and you can reverse, okay, and you have this animated in reverse. So those options. Okay. So now let's add this to interact with the water. Okay. I select this guy, select the water as we did before. We go to easy water generator. I will optimize that. Okay. Why I will interactive optimize. Interactive optimize because this will create in this easy water interactivity this guy here, which removes the line. Okay, by removing the line, the interactive works pretty well. Okay, so if you have just animated your boat by your own without following a path, the best approach would be maybe not use the path, just the object. Okay, but in this case, to eliminate this line and avoid some issues, interactive optimize it is better. Okay, so now you see you have your animation optimized. Okay, of course you can change wherever the direction that you want for your path. Okay, let's say that you want your boat to do these, and then maybe doing something like this. Okay, you can also do that, right? But you have to go back and play your animation again, and you will have so your interactivity going on. All right, and then you go to your water, you have your volume, and voila, you have your object really well, nice interacting with your water. You can also add a form, so you can have some form on your interactivity, okay, to have something like this, right? And you can also add ripples to your both to have even better look. Select your path, select your water, and add ripples. Okay, so you can go here and in the water generator, ripples. Okay, and now you will have ripples around your object, as you can see here, right? And you can also add uh, form to your ripples as well. So now your object is also casting some form on the ripples, right? You can read the intensity and something more like that. Okay, and you can of course have even particles, okay, from your object. Okay, that's kind of nice. That's cool. Okay, and let me say, if for some reason, let's remove the ripples. Let's leave just the interactivity. If for some reason, let's move this guy even down like this. Okay, go back, and you have this happening, which is basically the water going inside your object, you can try to remove your water using another resource, which is both holes, okay, which is selecting this guy and create a hole, okay, make a hole, okay. As soon as you do this, it will kind of try to create a hole out of this boat to remove the water from that, okay. And then you can tweak this guy just like here, something like this, to not have to not see the water inside the boat, okay, and also have it animated, right? But if you render this here, you will probably not see any water from your boat, right? Which is what is cool, and you can tweak your form as you want, as you may want. Maybe do it if you want, have some form like crazy, just like this, right? Up to you, all up to you. Remove the distance of your phone, maybe put it 5 or something, and maybe put it 10, and reduce the opacity here to something, okay? Up to you, right? But that's it. Those are tips to have your interactivity going on. Some tools that may help you to animate objects on your work. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.